right. So yeah, so automation, that's the key here. You don't need to be, watching your project grow in hours and hours and hours and
Yeah.
trying to, figure out if you're missing like a piece of column or a piece of a C-section or anything like that. You just ask the computer to do the boring stuff, and you just focus on your business.
How much Shedmate was important to guarantee quality, even if we have more clients and more requests. So yeah,
That's a very good question, because the thing is, every time that you try to automate things, you lose control. Or
yeah,
the impression is that you lose control. But since we had this, background on doing information modeling in these piece of software, and I had this thing, or Arthur had that too, of processes and making sure that everything checks out. Shedmate was born thinking about that as well. It's not just crazy run automations, go, don't have control. No, that's completely different than our mindset here. So Shedmate was born, and it is improved every day ever since, with that logic in mind, that even though we are trying to automate the whole process, we don't like to lose control. So everyone that wants to do tweaks and adjustments and making sure that Shedmate behaves to that specific company that you're working on right now, you have that control. And this is
yeah,
where Shedmate shines, like the flexibility that we provide. It's a very different ball game, completely different ball game. And that's the thing. I was talking to a customer, a few months ago, and he really enlightened me on how Shedmate provides value for him, or for the industry as a whole, because he said, you know, what I like about Shedmate is not because only I can automate stuff, but because I can do my own sheds in Shedmate, not somebody else's, not my franchise sheds, not my huge company that is above me that tells me what I need to do. I can go in there and have my own types of sheds being quoted on my own style, and Shedmate can adapt to this, right? So that's where we shine, because we don't want just to automate this industry. We don't want just to provide value, like a blank value with here you go. Make sure that you stick with these rules, and then we're gonna help you. No, we say, hey, what you need, and this is how Shedmate is different from everybody else, because everyone else is just saying, hey, here's my package, follow that in the delivery sheds, right? We flip this around and say, hey, how do you do sheds? Can we help?
yeah.
And then we help you do that.
Yeah, yeah, I believe
That's it.
that
That's
Shedmate's
that's my
really
value
good
there.
because we can customize, based on what the company needs. It's not like a plan, a strict plan that you can't change anything or you can not personalize a thing. So I believe that
Mhm.
Shedmate's really powerful about this for this reason as well.